We're going. We're videotaping. Yeah.
Hi. It's like 30 degrees out. I'm James Lennon. I'm in a t-shirt, and this is my bike check. We're gonna start at the top right here. We got Kink Lightest bar ends. They're amazing, and for all you weight wieners out there, they're like a few ounces in metal. Shut the fuck up, dog. We got Cult DAC grips. They don't wear out. They're amazing, and I love them. Turning around to the front, we have Demolition Suburban V2 bars. I think they're Chris Doyle's signature, and these are pretty awesome. I like them. My dog won't shut up. We have an Animal MR top load stem in blue, and it's probably my favorite stem in the world. It's never slipped on me, and it has this blocky look, and it looks awesome. We have Shadow Corvus headset. It sucks, don't get it. Forks, Cult Sect V2. I don't know, I just kind of got them a few months ago. They've been alright to me so far. We got Shadow Overtaker tire in the front, and we have a Rant wheel set, and I would recommend this if you're on a budget because it's actually not that bad. We got Odyssey joystick pegs, and these things are really cool. They work really well. They slide on pretty much everything. They're like the plastic pegs for non-bitches. We have a stock 2013 Verde Vex frame, and it sucks. And I want a new frame. Shadow Crow Seat. It's ripped a lot, and I wouldn't recommend it because it rips, and it's hard as fucking rock. Shadow seat post. Pretty self-explanatory. Nakamoto pedals. Some kind of off-brand that no one knows about, I guess. I don't know, the pedals, they work. They're grippy. I just got them. So, we have a stock, no, this is a Mission crank. And on the other side, we have a Verde stock crank right here. And a Shadow bottom bracket, which isn't really a Shadow, it's just a Verde with Shadow dust covers. Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. This thing lasts forever, and it's great on a budget. Shadow Interlock V2 chain. Anyone who says this chain sucks is a bitch and doesn't know how to do maintenance on their bike. So, going back, we have a Shadow Undertaker tire, blue wall, and I'm trying to get rid of the blue walls. I think it's a fit stock rim, and I know it's laced to a Demolition Road hub. And then we got another Odyssey joystick peg in the back, and a Shadow BTR hub guard. That's not where it's supposed to be. And that's my bike check. That was fucking horrible.